easily being cancelled and all. But I thank God He let me go through that. Because I was headed for destruction. He humbled me publicly. Some might say He humiliated you. No. He humbled me. Wala na idolatry sa integrity or reputation. What I hold on to is how God sees me. That's more important. No, at the end, because you're special, you're a celebrity, that's why you're saying that.
Ay, ako, kung alam niyo lang, kung kilala niyo lamang ako.
I have so many struggles and have so many insecurities that people know nothing about. Pero nakikita yun ng Panginoon, and He still called me His daughter. This ugly heart, don't be afraid. Hindi kayo kailangan maging perfecto dito. You are welcome in the house of God. You are welcome here. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, welcome home. Woo! Jesus! So my life. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life, say, all my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh I can sing of the goodness of God. Oh I will sing of the goodness of God. Oh I will sing of the goodness of Pastor Jonathan, dapat nalulungkot naman ako. Huwag kang iiyak. Umiyak pa rin talaga ako. Grabe ang pag-ibig ng Panginoon. Walang katulad. Walang kahit ano. Ang dami ko na po